A small state in the northeastern regions of our country is fairly rich in various aspects, including that of archaeological wealth and remains through variety in forms and aspects, no doubt reflect the rich and invaluable cultural life of its societal past. The said wealth has become the priceless heritage and legacy of the present as well as the future, and which have undoubtedly thrown great attraction and curiosity to the attention of both the casual viewers and scholars from the country and abroad. About nine of these ancient remains has been declared as the monuments of national importance, while the rest are on the process of scrutiny by the state government. The highlight of them may be of useful exposure on the potentiality the state has in the field of archaeology. However, giving an account of all of them is not possible at a time. Therefore, as the journal is presumed to be continuing, this time I will confine only on one site that has recently assumed great curiosity and significance, and this site known as Bhaitbari archaeological site, popularly Bartala. Geographically, this site is located in Old Bhaitbari, a small village in West Garo Hills district, situated along the southern bank of the Jinjiram River at a distance of about 3 miles from Fulbari on the way to Thura. On the basis of various reports and information, a short exploration was conducted in collaboration with Prehistorical Branch Government of India and the Department of Art and Culture Government of Meghalaya during the month of October to November 1991. Encouraged by the finding of this short exploration, the joint exploration excavation was accordingly taken up from 29/12/1992. The results achieved in course of this excavation were not only encouraging, as it revealed the potentiality of the place deserving to be enlisted in the category of the archaeological site of national importance. During excavation, some very important and valuable findings were unearthed and exposed. These are as follows. The mud burnt bricks fortification running at least 5 kilometers in north-south direction in a horseshoe fashion with both ends on the bank of the Jinjiram River. The fortification is about 15 square kilometers in area and had been laid taking advantage of the outer side of the fortification. The existence of deep moat was observed, whereas on the inner side a pathway about 3.30 meters in width ran throughout the length of the fortification wall. The site of a beautifully planned burnt bricks temple lying under a mound covered with thick bushes was also unearthed and exposed. The third and impressive discovery during this excavation was the discovery and exposure of the site of an octagonal temple with 8 miniature octoon each having a shivling. The fourth, the most unexpected and thrilling discovery during the said excavation was the discovery of the site of a structure associated with Buddhism and which is commonly known as stupa. On further process of excavation, this stupa is found to belong to category of stupa which is structurally termed as mud stupa. This stupa is the first ever discovered stupa in Meghalaya. All the above structures are located within the fortified areas. Exploration of the fortified areas further shown to contain extensive ruins such as bricks structure, a number of ancient tanks of various sizes, shivlings, broken potteries, etc. However, nothing is definitely known at present about the history of the site, including its flourishing era, though some opinions are being formulated on comparative basis of the deities depicted on the terracotta tiles and their stylistic test tend to date it back to 7th of 8th century AD, again from the existence of ancient tanks of various sizes as stated above. This township suggests to be an important temple township. However, all what is said is only a question as a challenge that who have the will and courage to dig out its historic truth for the knowledge of the present and the benefit of the future. Thanks for watching Meghalaya Tune.